Hey, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Genius Team channel. I'm Hassan Kasula and today, we've got a quick and helpful tutorial for you. Have you ever experienced graphics card issues like freezing when enjoying your favorite game, crashing of program during rendering or a black screen display on your PC? Well, fear not. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to restart your graphics card for better performance. Let's dive right in. Before we restart the graphics card, let's have a quick tour in what the Genius Team can do for you. It's essential to check if there are any issues. Keep an eye out for artifacts, screen flickering, or any other unusual behavior in your graphics. The first method is restart the graphics driver using keyboard shortcut. The most straightforward way to reset the graphics card driver on Windows is by using the keyboard shortcut. For that, use the key combination Win plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B. This key combination would instantly refresh your graphics driver on your Windows system. You will observe that your screen will be flashing for a second or two, and then all will be back to normal. You should be aware that this activity is safe and won't interfere with any of the apps that are already operating on your device. Furthermore, you can perform this activity without using the Windows Administrator account. Also, keep in mind that this keyboard shortcut might not function while you are playing games. This is because video games generally take command of the keyboard, preventing Windows from using it. This will effectively restart your graphics card. Finally, check your graphics card's performance. Run your game or graphic-intensive application again to see if the issues have been resolved. And there you have it. Restarting your graphics card can often resolve performance issues and glitches. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching. I'm Hassan Kasula, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.